Want to be your own boss? Tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Imagine a six-figure business you can run from anywhere. No, this isn't a dream. It's the reality of e-commerce, and the best part? You can start with $0. Forget about risky investments and mountains of stock. We're diving into the world of risk-free e-commerce, where you call the shots and watch your bank account grow. Ready to unlock your entrepreneurial potential? Let's go! Traditional e-commerce can feel like a high-stakes game. Inventory costs, storage fees, and the dreaded unsold products. But what if I told you there's a better way? Enter the world of $0 e-commerce, where you sell without ever touching physical inventory. No more warehouses, no more shipping nightmares, just you, your laptop, and the limitless potential of the internet. Think of it like dropshipping, but even better. You're not just reselling, you're creating, connecting, and building a brand. Ever dreamed of seeing your designs on t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases? Print on demand makes it a reality. With Pod, you design, and a third-party supplier handles the rest. They print, pack, and ship directly to your customers. You focus on what you do best, creating awesome designs and marketing your brand. Think witty slogans, eye-catching graphics, or niche interests. The possibilities are endless. Section 4. Affiliate e-commerce, your cut, no inventory, just smart linking. Affiliate e-commerce is like being the ultimate influencer. You recommend products you love, and when someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. No need to create your own products, handle customer service, or worry about shipping. It's all about finding the right products for your audience and promoting them effectively. Think about your passions, hobbies, or areas of expertise. What products do you genuinely recommend? That's your starting point. Section 5. Digital domination, knowledge is power and profit. In the digital age, knowledge is king. And guess what? You can sell it. Ebooks, online courses, templates, and printables are just a few examples of profitable digital products. Share your expertise, teach a skill, or solve a problem. The best part? Once you create it, you can sell it infinitely without any additional cost. Identify your skills, passions, and what people are willing to pay for. Then package your knowledge into a valuable digital product. Section 6. From zero to launch, your step-by-step guide to e-commerce success. Ready to launch your $0 e-commerce empire? Here's a simple roadmap. 1. Choose your niche. What are you passionate about? What problems can you solve? Find your niche and focus on a specific target audience. 2. Select your platform. Shopify, Etsy, or even social media platforms can be your online storefront. Choose the one that best suits your needs and target market. 3. Create your brand. Develop a memorable brand name, logo, and voice that resonates with your audience. Consistency is key. 4. Build your online presence. Create a website or social media profiles that showcase your products or services. High-quality images and compelling descriptions are crucial. 5. Drive traffic and generate sales. Utilize free marketing strategies like social media marketing, content marketing, and influencer outreach to attract customers. Section 7. Free traffic frenzy, TikTok, Pinterest, and the power of organic reach. Forget expensive ads. We're all about free traffic. Platforms like TikTok and Pinterest are goldmines for reaching your target audience organically. Create engaging video content on TikTok that showcases your products or services in action. On Pinterest, design visually appealing pins that drive traffic to your website or product pages. Remember, consistency is key. Post regularly, engage with your followers, and watch your traffic soar. Starting your own six-figure e-commerce business with $0 is possible. It takes dedication, hard work, and a willingness to learn. But with the right mindset and the strategies outlined in this essay, you can achieve your entrepreneurial dreams. So, what are you waiting for? Take the first step today and watch your online empire flourish.